So today we've got an 04 Ford Mustang that the brake lights are stuck on. You can turn them off by wiggling the switch underneath the steering column, but we're actually going to replace that switch and eliminate this issue. Because if you don't notice this, come home during the daytime, leave your brake lights on, you may end up having a dead battery the next day or even later that day. This is the new switch right here. This is held on in this orientation with a little pin that comes through a shaft that's on the brake pedal. So we're either going to use our needle nose pliers to grab that pin and pull it out, or I've got a little hook that we can hook the pin and pop it out. The hardest part is going to be getting up underneath there where I can get a good shot of that so everybody can see what's happening. My first mission is going to be to unplug the wire that's plugged into these here. Then we'll pull that pin, pop this off, put the new one on, plug it back in, and should have our problem fixed. This greenish yellow pin is the pin we want to pull out. Slide that off and save our washer. Here's our switch. Little tab on the wires, just push that up with your thumb. Pop out the old switch. And the new one goes right back in. And then you want to make sure that that brake rod slides into the slot right there. They make a U-shape here so you can actually position this shaft onto the brake pedal. Just a little bit. And then drop this over. Slide it on. Put our nylon washer back on. And then with the needle nose, I will slide the pin back in. Hopefully. And that should fix our problem. That's it, and it's fixed.